ICOMOS support the conservation of natural and cultural heritage by donating to the ICOMOS Culture Nature Prize. Our winning initiative is empowering the indigenous communities of Arunachal Pradesh to safeguard their rich biocultural heritage. We are researching, documenting, and creating tools with community youths to teach others about their land and people. Responsible tourism and technology provide wonderful opportunities to learn about their unique lifestyles closely linked to nature and encourage local communities to continue to transmit their intangible cultural heritage. Your donations to ICOMOS help fund culture nature projects like mine and protect our shared cultural and natural heritage for future generations.